Hi, I'm Rachel and welcome to this week's food review. We are going to be reviewing a granola breakfast by Mountain House, and this one is very easy. Again, it's just a half a cup of water, and for a thicker granola you can use less water and you eat it right away. There's no heating or anything. I'm sure if you wanted it warm you could certainly make it warm, and because it is a chilly, windy morning, we have some hot chocolate from Maverick. We will be enjoying that. And before I get on to this lovely breakfast, I'm gonna make some changes for the Friday food review coming in October. I'm just gonna do every other week, and if it picks up, then I will go to every week Friday food review. So that will probably be better, so I can focus on actual product reviews. Let me know what you think about that. So let's dig into this. It looks nice. I don't think I've ever had a granola freeze-dried meal before. Less than 10 minutes, just add water and no cleanup. So this looks very nice. Granola with milk and blueberries. 2 servings. Okay, we have our half cup water. And our spork. Let's get this mixed up. I love granola. I can't buy it because I will just snack on the whole bag. Oh wow. The water is blue, or the liquid, the milk color is blue. That is so funny. Okay. It's actually really pretty. It's like a purple. My favorite color. I like that. Okay. I'm sure if you wanted it softer, you could let it soak more, but kind of is like a cereal to me, so I want to taste the crunch. It softened up very quickly. And they did not skimp on the blueberries. I mean, you just put your utensil in there and it's just a pile of blueberries in there, which is nice. Tastes really good. I taste the granola. That's not hard to miss. And I'm just gonna get some more majority blueberries in this bite. I can taste a little hint of the blueberry. I love it. I don't know how this is 2 servings, but I probably would next time make this with less water, so it is a thicker consistency. Not that it's really soupy, but let me pour it into this cup. Yeah, I would definitely add less liquid. But that's 2 servings? Are you serious? No. That's tiny. I mean, I guess maybe they are thinking that you would have other items to eat. I don't know. This cup isn't even, this is a Sea to Summit cup, and it also has measuring marks on the sides. So let me open it up all the way. We are at about 1 cup right there. It's the serving size. The serving size is a half cup. So, okay. A half a cup, really? I mean, I guess that's what we should be eating. We need to be eating smaller portions. Let's give our hot chocolate a try. I waited this whole time to drink any. They did have a pumpkin flavor, but with it being only September still, we're going to hold off on the pumpkin. Okay, and this definitely isn't going to go anywhere, but it should be fairly cooled off by now. Oh, and this is like, on the machine it said this was their creamy hot chocolate. And then they had the pumpkin option. That is very tasty. Between the hot chocolate and the granola blueberry breakfast, honestly, this is very satisfying. I love it. I would absolutely buy this again. Less water. I would just eat the whole thing myself next time as well. I like that they didn't skip on the blueberries. There's a very subtle flavor of blueberry in there. And then a good amount of granola. This is a delicious breakfast. Very easy. You don't have to wait for it to cook. Just eat it right up. Let me know in the comments below if you've ever tried a Mountain House granola breakfast mix. What other Mountain House meals would you recommend? And if you have any suggestions, also put those in the comments below. My P.O. box will also be in the description if there's anything that you would like to send me. And I thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.